Welcome to a quick tour of the 2025 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16LP. Starting up front, you've got your propane setup and a sturdy frame ready for the road, leading to ample outside storage that is perfect for keeping your gear tucked away. Up top, notice the 12-foot power awning with an LED light strip, sitting above exterior outlets on a unit that is incredibly lightweight with a dry weight of just over 3,000 pounds. As we circled back, you'll see the classic aerodynamic styling designed to save gas, while the roadside features smooth aluminum siding and tinted safety glass windows. Stepping inside via the sturdy, stable step, you're greeted by a layout that sleeps 5, featuring a queen bed up front and a spacious booth dinette. 2 sturdy bunk beds with teddy bear bunks await the kids, situated right next to a large 12-volt residential refrigerator and high-output microwave. The private bathroom offers a foot flush toilet and a tub shower combo with a skylight for extra headroom. Back in the galley, you'll find a high-rise faucet, deep sink, and a 2-burner cooktop with a glass cover, all controlled from a center panel near plenty of overhead and lower cabinetry. Finally, enjoy the view from the dinette's massive window before relaxing in the front queen bed, complete with overhead shelving and USB charging ports, making this compact, lightweight trailer the perfect adventure companion.